Hello everyone, I Dhanesh Dave welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Delhi Films, and in this video I am going to teach you how to cook puri at home. But before we start, please subscribe to this channel so that you will receive my all latest video and hit the bell icon to stay updated. So now let's start the process of making puri at home. Let's begin. How to cook puri at home. In this video we will learn how to make puri at home. To make a puri, first take a deep utensil and take wheat flour and then add ajwain into it. Just by using a spoon, just add ajwain into it, and next add salt into it, just little bit of salt. Finally add oil into it. Just not too much oil, just little bit of oil add into it, like how we are adding into it. Just after you add all these three ingredients, once you add all these three ingredients, by using your hand just mash it and start mixing it with the wheat. So this is very simple process. Remember, we are doing this process for preparing puri, and we have just added into this oil, ajwain and salt, and these are wheat flour, and after adding all these things we have just mix it all this thing by using a hand. Now keep ready 1 glass water. We are going to add water in it. Just by using one hand just mix little bit of water in it, and by using one hand just mix the wheat with the water. Do not add too much water, just add little bit of water slowly, and keep stirring the wheat with water. Now it is time to add some more little water. Like how we are doing, just do the same steps and process, and soon you will get your dough ready to make puri. So after a few minutes you will get this result. Your dough is about to ready for making puri. Making dough for puri will not take more than 5 minutes, and just use the same technique which we are using in this video to make dough for puri. Just crush it, mash it, stir it, the wheat flour in which we have added oil, salt and ajwain. So you can see the dough is about to ready, and when you are also getting this result, it means you are following the right steps for making your dough for puri. So now finally our puri dough is ready. Let me show you the closer view. So if you get this result, means your dough is perfectly ready to make puri. Now to make puri, you need to keep ready this utensil. This is called a rolling pin and rolling board, and the meanwhile you need to keep wok onto the gas stove and fill the wok with oil, like how much oil we have added into the wok. So next step, we are going to make the puri. Just take a small piece of puri dough and just make a small ball. Just repeat this process. Make as much as ball you can make by using your hand, and just put it on the rolling board, and by using a rolling pin just give it a shape to your puri, a round shape. Just try to give a round shape like how we are giving, and just keep it aside. Now take the next dough, and again by using rolling pin just roll it and try to give a round shape like how we are giving in this video. Then again keep it aside. Again take another piece, and by using a rolling pin just give it a round shape. So it's very easy process. It will not take much time to roll into round shape, and once you are rolling, just keep it into the aside. We are going to fry all these puris. So in very short time we have rolled so many puris. Let me show you closer view. So this is called a puri shape. So once you done with the making of dough of the puri, next step, just take a small piece and roll the dough into a puri shape, and roll as much as puri you can roll. You can see in this plate. And the next step is, so once you have rolled all the puris, it is time to check your oil is hot or not. So how will you check? Just drop a small piece of dough, and if the dough come quickly on the surface of the oil, it means the oil is hot. So it is time to put all the puris into the hot oil. So now just take one piece of puri and drop it into the hot oil, like how we have dropped it into the oil, you can see. And the puri will quickly come to the surface, and just by using a turner, just try to fry puri into the oil. Just once it is get cooked from one side, then just turn it so that it will get cooked from another side. So once it get cooked, just take out and just keep one plate in your hand, and you can see you can keep the puri into another plate. So in the same process, just repeat. Just insert, drop another puri, and in the side by side just drop one more puri. So as much as puri you can drop into the wok in which the oil is extreme hot. So how we drop in this video, you need to follow the same step, and you can see we are taking care of all the puris. So once your puri will get this color, just take out from the wok and put it into the plate. In the plate we have already spread one white pepper so that it will soak excess oil from the puri. So it's very simple process, very simple. You can cook puri at your home by using this video technique. So you need to repeat this process, and in very short span of time you can cook as much as puri you want. So it's very easy process. You can see on the one side puris are getting fried, and on the other side you can see all the puris which we have kept into the wok, into the plate, steel plate, high heaped deep plate. So finally we have cooked so many puris in very short span of time. Let me show you closer view of it. You can see the puris are well puffed, and it is looking very nice, and it smells very tasty. Trust me, this recipe is very easy and quick to cook at home. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you very much.